hey, your Windows doesn't stop downloading and also installing updates every single day. Don't worry about it. In this video, I will show you how to disable Windows automatic updates. And just to know, it's very easy. Just watch this video all the way to the end and you won't have some problems. So here is how. Just click on Windows searcher and type services like that. And now scroll down till you find Windows Update, not Windows Update Medic Servers, just Windows Update. Double click it, and here you have to adjust this title type to disabled, like me. Actually, usually it's automatic delay start or manual, but now just disable it and apply, and then OK. But that's not all. Now you have to right click on the start button here as me and click on run and type MC here. From here it opens this console 1, as you can see, console root, and now click on file, add remove snap-in, and then search down till you find group policy object. Double click it, then finish. OK, and now it appears on below our console root. So now click it once, click on administrative templates, double click again on Windows components, and I know it's a long way till you find this option, but it's working. The point is working. Yeah. Now scroll down till you find Windows Update, and here search for this configure automatic updates. As you can see, all of these options here are not configured, but this is enabled. You should make it enabled. Yeah, actually it's like this, not configured, but you should just enable it like me. And also, if this is not to notify for download and auto install, just make it like this, then apply. OK, and you're ready. Just you have to restart your PC, and if you won't restart it, it won't working, so that is why the point is to restart your PC. And yeah, now you won't have problems with the Windows Update, and Windows won't download and installing every single day. And yeah, if I helped you out, make sure you give a like, and also comment down below the video if you have some problem, some questions. I will try to respond. And yeah, see you next video. Bye.